Okay, issues with streaming. I just said lenses didn't work last time, so I choose another library. I went for XML-lens and we'll try our luck with this one. So I should first get my Twitch site set up. Add a new panel. And I have to set up my TeamSpeak. So you guys can talk to me if you watch me. Test, test. Okay. Working. Let's come back to Haskell. The library works this way. Let me get this over here. And what we want is the document is the response dash dash dash. We want all elements named nope, not new tab. We want all elements named Eve API and was it dot dash? It was dot dash, yeah. Oh, we need a root here. Root dot el dot okay, and then we go from there. We want the element named result, and we want the element named key, and from this element we want attribute is okay. Attribute is access mask and what else? Why are there two parameters? Attribute is name text. Oh, the element. Attribute is from key. From key to that. Oh, we want the oh, that is a filter. I just want the attribute. Attribute, okay, just the name. L key and then attribute the access mask and remove the rest. This should give us the access mask. And it compiles. It does not compile. Oh, okay, this casts automatically, so we don't need this. Okay, let's undo that. What is wrong here? Okay, I have to do show key and show code to turn them into strings. And what is wrong with the root here? Couldn't match document with char. Oh, okay. XML is text.xml.read defaults the response and return that stuff. That's text.xml.read, isn't it? No, there's no read in here. That's XML conduit, okay. XML conduit. Okay. And no. There. Index. Read file, it's only read file. What is read file using? Oh, it's parse text underscore. Okay. Parse text, default, and the response, and we'll return that. And this is the XML. Oh. And then this is the XML. And we're set. I hope. Not in scope parse text. I wanted parse text underscore anyway. And we have to import text.xml. Gets re-exported, yes. Text XML, and it's parse text underscore parse text. Let's take parse text and it's text.xml. Case XML dash dash of left whatever return false, write XML, do this stuff. And this is ugly code. This needs to be refactored soon. Better sooner than later. Oh. XML conduit. We have to put it in the cabal file. XML conduit. And now it will work. Where's compile? Debugger, whatever. I just want to build. Couldn't match char with text.lazy actual time. And okay, then it's pack the response and beautify it a bit. Is it data dot text? Let's find out. Data dot text, yes. Okay. What was it? Google to the rescue. String to text. Give me the thing. It was text. Okay. It was a lazy text and data text.lazy. Okay, that works. Could match text with char. What is in the response? Result response string. What is a response string? Is a response string. Okay, what is a response? Response body, okay. So we need simple HTTP and we have to get the result back. Result is either blah or bloop. So we get an either con error or a, and we fmap we fmap ASP body onto it. RSP body. Oh, okay. The get response body is we already did this. Get I did not see that. Get response body gives us just the yeah. Okay. Build again. It's text. Then just unpack this stuff before you throw it. Yeah. And don't worry, the stuff gets packed here and unpacked here, and those both calls calls will eliminate each other. We'll do it this way. Oh, okay. I have to tell him that he has to use integer and not int or word or double or whatever. And yeah, the char ID is not used. Because we just need the key ID, I think. Yeah, we just need the key ID and the V code. And we just need to do now is lift IO, check RP key with the RP key. Check, whoa, check RP key with the RP key. And this is valid key. If valid key, then this auth key is working, else p class warning, whatever, this key is not suitable. And this thing goes here. That's it. And it's text warning. Okay, dot text warning. Whoa, we got an error. Maybe entity RP. Oh, okay, this is the maybe RP. Case RP key of well, just key. Then we take the key, and if we got no valid key, we return false. And we do this down here as well. Oh, okay, we got the RP key here. So we have to... Okay, if the user submits the form and... why do we need the RP key? Oh, we need it there for as default value. Well, then we just get it again from the database. And call it apkey dash. And what's wrong here? Oh, it's entity. Just entity whatever and the key. And down here again, it's just entity and the key. Entity, whatever, and the key. Okay, we now have to log in, and if I can manage to type my password and the character, and okay, this RP key is not suitable. I created an API key. Let me just get it onto one screen you cannot see, because I don't want you to see all of my RP keys. Oh, I need to use Firefox anyway. API.leave_online. And where do we have... Oh, I'm making a new one. This RP key is not suitable. I need a link. And it's... what was it? Text warning. Oh, dot text warning. And we make another paragraph. A Create API key. Okay, now I just need from the old version of the tool the proper link there. Copy link, paste link. Okay. Now it should work. There it is. And create new API key. Let me just do it over here. Oh, I need the link. Oh. Copy. Name stream. So don't try to use it. I'm deleting it anyway. vcode submit, and we got an internal server error. Oh, okay, the string does not need to be shown. Because I got quotation marks around my string here, and that's bullshit in an URL. Yeah, refresh. Oh, it's a text. Of course, it's a text. Unpack code. I have to make it a char. Lovely, lovely world of 3 different string representations. HTTPS not supported. Are you kidding me? How do I do HTTPS requests? Now I have to Google it. Attempts to use... yeah, okay, it's in the documentation. How can I do an HTTPS request? HTTP conduit. Network HTTP conduit. Network HTTP dot conduit. Same interface, different library. Maybe I need to... No, it's already... And it's written HTTP, and it's not get response body, but response body or whatever. Let's just look into the library. Client conduit. Request, password, no, requests, cookies, I don't want WebSockets, I just want a single HTTPS. HTTP get request. Where is get request? Index. Okay, it's not get request. What was it? Oh. Simple HTTP needs a string and yields a byte string. Oh, that's fortunate. I don't need this, I just need the string. And I don't need these parentheses anymore. I think I need them. And what about response body? Is this in here? Request body, response body to body. Do I only need simple XML and I don't have to extract anything? Yeah, okay. It retries automatically, and if it can't, it throws an exception and everything crashes and burns. Nice! Don't be afraid, come on TeamSpeak. Char with byte string. Okay, response is now byte string, and I need a conversion from Hoogle to the rescue. Hoogle. I need a function from byte string to string. It's unpack, but from data byte string. Back. And it comes from import qualified data dot byte string SB. That should be sufficient. Oh, I should be able to write import as import. And of course it's not a byte string, it's a lazy byte string, so it's byte string dot lazy and the lazy text and the joys of Haskell. Byte string gives me a list of word 8s and not a list of chars. Oh, I need to give him the encoding. It's char 8, it's ASCII text. We are just reading ASCII. Okay, that was it, and now it should hopefully work. This API key is not suitable. Why? Now for some evil magic. Lift IO. No, just debug.trace. Oh, trace. Show XML and a unit action. Debug.trace is a nice package. It lets you just dump print lines all over the world, and you can then safely remove them later on. Now, why isn't it compiling? Debug.trace. Debug.trace is trace string AA. What is wrong? Oh, it worked. What did I trace? The XML. Hmm. Okay, seems like we don't even get here. Did we get an exception or something? We got a write, document, then, and a lot of stuff. No one can read that. And we got a write, and why doesn't it write, document, prologue, attributes, namespaces? Whoa. Okay. This should then do something as well. And then we want to show the access masks. And we want to show the converted access masks. Oh. Rebuilding application, yada yada yada. Just that thing? That thing? Okay. Did I miss something? Do I have the wrong constant here? Yeah, looks like. The access mask is... Oh, I put my character ID there when I read out the access masks from the string. Now it should be working. And we can get rid of the debugs. We don't want this anymore, we don't want that anymore. And this is exactly the number I get here. Okay, that was expected. And that should check everything. Okay, now what do we get? This auth key is working. Nice. Let's get rid of this. And now we need some bootstrap magic. Bootstrap warning. However we do stuff. Components. Glyph icons. Well, example. It's alert danger. Okay. That is class is alert danger, and a role is alert. Okay. Now we should, if I change this and make it invalid, we get an internal server error. Authentication failure. Okay. It's forbidden because I used wrong authentication. But the user can't use this information. Okay. Simple HTTP, throw an IO exception. Okay, I need a manager anyway. Where can we put that? Foundation, data app. App HTTP manager. We already have an app HTTP manager. Nice. And we can make get HTTP manager inside our app monet. Okay. It's already there. So we go into our app monet and make lift IO here. This is a return. Okay. Manager get HTTP. Get HTTP manager, and we don't do simple HTTP, we do HTTP with a request and a manager. And we get a response and yada yada yada. Okay. HTTP URL and a manager. And here we of course don't need the lift IO. Where is it? There. Oh, it's handler. And we get a huge error set. Okay. We pass it explicitly, and we just we directly pass the manager. And we don't need the lift IO here anymore. Okay. And we should pass the manager. Which is, I suppose it's just get HTTP manager I've mapped into ask. Ask is the reader, okay. And this is the manager. P manager. Yay, error messages. Okay, it's lift IO, of course, again. Okay, what do we have here? Bool with mbool, char with request. What does a request look like? Oh, I got it over here. A request is a response of something. Response body. What do we have to do? We have to get it out of the response. Response body gives us a body, whatever a body is. A body is resumable, okay. Response body of response. And after that we get a resumable source. Okay, we just want... Oh, we want LBS response, so HTTP LBS. And then we got a response byte string, and we want the response body, the byte string out of it. So we do respawn response body out of that stuff, and then we have a response we can work with. Response LBF, download the request, gives you everything back. Okay, this collides because someone else got the idea as well. Request? HTTP LBS, okay. This way? Yep. The request? Oh, it needs to be a request, not a string. How do I create a request? If you just want to download a URL, use pass URL. Okay. Pass URL. What do I need? String, and I get a request. URL is pass URL of this stuff. And I can get finally rid of that parenthesis. And we do the URL and the manager. And now we should get our response back. Oh, it's IO bool. Okay. commit response byte string. HTTP LBS is in IO byte string. IO response byte string. Okay, if it says it's not IO, then I assume it's not IO. What the hell? It's a request in a manager. Okay. And this is a response byte string, and the response byte string we just make response body. So it's here dot response body on response. Sticking things together is not that easy, and I made a typo there. It's response body. Okay. Response byte string still insists it's not an IO, then I left it in IO. I don't care. No instance for monad IO for monad IO to manager? What the hell? It's HTTP LBS. Okay, we take HTTP and do it. Then we get the monadic response. It's monad resource, whatever monad resource is. Instance. Okay, when it's monad IO, it's also monad resource, and we then bind that just to LBS response, which is another IO action, which is basically any monad action. Okay. Okay, there is the problem. I used the wrong one. The LBS response from Yesod differs. Let's stackage LBS response. That's LBS response and HTTP LBS conduit. Whatever. IO is not in monad resource. Why not? It is an applicative, it is in IO, it is in monad throw, is it not in monad base? Ah, it's no monad base instance. Then do it this way. But do it! Just do it! It's compiling, okay. Okay, we still get the weird exception, and now we get the response. Throws an IO exception. How do I catch IO? Control exception and catch that, I suppose. Throw IO, catching exceptions. Okay, so we do this stuff. Catch the exception, whatever the exception is, we don't care, and return false. Whatever you do, I don't care, just. And now I need to import a control exception. Oh, it's in base, so it should be... Type variable is ambiguous. What exception got thrown? HTTP exception. HTTP exception. Oh. And now you should know which exception to catch. And this works. If we catch the IO exception and it does not work. Scoped type variables, yeah, I intend to use that. For everything there's a language pragma, language, scoped type variables. Defined but not used, I know. It just has that type, I don't care. Defined but not used API key, where there. And debug.trace is redundant, debug.trace is redundant. Thank you. Whee! It compiles. Now compile. Ding ding ding. This auth key is not suitable. If I change it to the correct one, this auth key is working. Nice. And some bootstrap magic around that. XML.length, we don't need that anymore. Bootstrap. Alert. I don't want alert, I want some green bar indicating everything is fine. Alert, alert success. Das ist gut. P-Class, alert. Alert, not alert danger, but alert success. And I think we have everything okay that far. Ooh, nice progress bars. Okay, we need to make a panel out of it, not an alert, because alerts are stupid. And this goes up here. Div panel. Panel default. What was the other? No, it has to go inside. Panel heading is API key. Panel body has this off key is working. Otherwise, we have the panel danger. I love HTML, it's such a mess. Okay, save. It's too far in. This is okay. And we don't need the closing text because we are too cool for that. Okay. Application launched. That looks okay, but not correct. Panel heading. And why is the panel body not inside the panel? Oh, because someone closed it here. Closing text is bad. Don't close text. No, closing text is perfectly fine. Just not in our case. Because we got a framework that is too cool to have the text closed. And prefers to do it automatically. Rebuilding. Rebuilding. Started. This off key is working. It looks okay. It's default. If I change it, it's wrong. Okay, this is nice. It's okay. And I want to have it in green and not in it's panel success. that. This auth key is working. Nice. Now we need some arrangements, some static stuff. Drop down, navigation. Trailer alerts. Panels. Panel, panel default, panel body. Okay. Let's put this into a Hamlet file. I don't want to have it in my code because it gets ugly. We got the settings from Hamlet. Let's first get this in there. Copy, paste. Div class panel default inside div class panel header, or is it heading? Panel heading, auth key settings, div class panel body, form, a widget, the submit button. If valid key, this and this and this and this, else not else Okay. The settings hamlet, and now we need to... How does this even work? I got rid of it. I think it was just widget file. Is that all this wrong? Is that forms, database persists, is that all, then this can change to is that core. Widget vhamlet file. Constructing widgets, I don't care about that. I don't care about that. I'm pretty sure it's widget file. We call this in scaffolding chapter, okay. We had the scaffolding chapter. So it's just widget file settings. For all of this. And of course this. And that's it. just deleted something that is different. Oh, okay, okay. That's what I wanted to do here. Div class is alert, 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 success. And how do alerts work again? Alex success, role is alert, and we include the message. Else we do the same, but with alert danger. Okay, now we have an insertion widget. Yeah, yada yada yada. We do it in this monad. What else should we do? settings.hamlet. Maybe widget is insertion widget and just include it here if we have it. Render Bootstrap 3. Google, thank you. Render Bootstrap 3. Okay, of course you don't know it. Stick it. Render Bootstrap 3 in. And we got a Bootstrap form layout. Bootstrap horizontal form is the thing I want. One form horizontal. What do I have to give him? 4 grid options. Isn't there a default grid option? Oh, how many grid columns should be taken? From horizontal class to your form tag. Okay. Add it to the form tag and bootstrap horizontal form, and we want call large 0, call large 1, call large 0, and call large 3. And this should compile. Hopefully. I hate graphics. No, that's better. And how many columns do we have? I think it's 12. So we take 11 here. Contents, input, no, fields. Text field. Can we modify fields? Or are they modified by this? No. With a large input. Okay, on the string. Okay, that's not what I meant. BRB. Okay, where are we at? Okay, Yesod form. No, it just has the fields.